Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we're going to be comparing the Chicco Keyfit 30 and the Nuna PIPA car seats. Right off the bat, it's important to note that the PIPA has a slightly higher weight capacity. It can hold babies up to 32 pounds and the Keyfit 30 can hold 30 pounds. Let's go over some of the differences. The Keyfit is a little heavier, weighing in at 9.6 pounds while the PIPA weighs 8 pounds. The PIPA and the Keyfit 30 each come with a removable infant insert for newborns. The Keyfit has an ergonomic handle made of durable plastic, while the PIPA's handle is accented with brown luxe leatherette material. The Keyfit 30 has removable machine washable fabric, but the PIPA has micro-knit fabric that can only be spot cleaned. They both have extendable canopies to protect your infant. The PIPA's canopy stays put a little better and includes a mesh peekaboo window and a pull-down dream drape for extra coverage. If you want to create a travel system, both car seats can be attached to select strollers directly or with separate adapters. Both of these car seats include bases for easy installation. To get the appropriate recline, the Keyfit 30 has a spring-loaded leveling foot, whereas the PIPA has a flip foot on the bottom with fewer height settings. There is also the added benefit of a two-section load leg for extra safety, which the Keyfit 30's base doesn't have. They both have bubble level indicators. They each have the option to install with seatbelt or latch. For the Keyfit 30, it has flexible lower connectors stored in the sides of the base. You have to pull the release lever to loosen the straps and connect them. Then, just make sure to manually pull the strap to tighten. The PIPA, on the other hand, has rigid latch connectors that rotate outward and connect easily. Additionally, both car seats can be installed without their bases. The Keyfit 30 has an American belt root with two side clips, and the PIPA has a European belt root with the added rear belt clip. In terms of price, the PIPA is more expensive. It retails around $320, and the Keyfit 30 costs $200. Overall, we love both of these infant car seats. The Nuna PIPA does have a few more features, but your choice just depends on your personal preference, and we hope that this video made it easier to decide. Thanks for watching. You can shop either of these car seats on babycubby.com, where we offer price matching and free shipping on orders over $25. To learn more about the Chicco Keyfit 30, you can check out this video, and to learn more about the Nuna PIPA, you can check out this video. Like and subscribe and let us know what you want to see next time.